Fun. Fun.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are going to Nature's Nest Resort. It's kind of like a 1-hour drive. Wow, it was like almost 1 hour 45 minutes drive. Do we know exactly where we are? Okay. So they gave us this cool selfie stick which I can't show you. So we're gonna hydrate ourselves, use the washroom, not gonna eat anything because obviously we had a very heavy breakfast. And there are a few things today we cannot show you guys because it has not been released. So probably later on when it's released. And I am expecting this day to be amazing. I have been to Goa like 3 times or 4 times probably, and I never knew this kind of place exists in Goa. I mean, I know my knowledge of this kind of places. Okay, to be very honest, this place looks a little bit like Gorai in Mumbai. Little bit. Okay, so we are in the bus again, going to a place where we can start a trek. I thought we were going to start a trekking over there, but no, we are going somewhere else. I still don't know exactly where we are. You can pause the video if you want to read this. And we're going to start a trekking from there. We're going to go all the way on the top. So I don't know exactly for how long we're going to trek, but someone told me that it's going to take us 1 hour to reach wherever we are going. So this jungle looks like really, it's a jungle basically, obviously. Nice half an hour break over here, and now we will look here and now we will continue to walk ahead. This was a halfway and more halfway to go, so it took us half an hour to reach here. We got half an hour break and then aur adha baki hai. Okay, so he's a guide. क्या नाम है आपका? Vijay. Vijay. So this is Vijay. He's our guide. Now he said 20 minutes more. So it's been more than an hour since we have left. From the bottom, half an hour other break मिला था. So half an hour climbing, half an hour break, and again half an hour climbing, and 20 more minutes left. उतरेंगे कैसे? Same way to come back. Same way to come back. और मजा आएगी. Okay. I won't lie. This is like a really steep climb, and because of my weight, because right now I am around 85, because of my weight, you know, and of course I'm wearing 2 bags also, but this is fun. Okay, I can see the waterfall, guys. I think और जाना है आगे.
I think उस तरफ जाना है.
वहाँ से नीचे उतरना है. Okay, so I tried climbing this one, but because I have to hold the gimbal and the selfie stick, and I have a phone in my pocket, I don't want to risk it, because if I fall, we have started going down. Right now it's around 1:45. Probably if we don't stop, then we should take like around maximum 20 to 30 minutes. That's what my experience says, I don't know. It's 2:42 and we are down. It took us 45 minutes to reach. Very thirsty. We're waiting for others. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna grab a quick bite, or probably I'm gonna drink something because I'm extremely thirsty and I'm extremely hungry. Oh. GoPro, stop recording. Came down from there and now we are going into a temple over there. I don't know which temple, but we are going. The water from the waterfall comes here and goes there. And I'm pretty sure during the rainy season, the scenario over here will be completely different. So if you guys want, you can just pause the video over here and you can read everything. Mahadev Temple. Okay, so done visiting this temple. It's nice. So it's time we head out and we do what we usually do. I don't know what. We go out, take a picture and eat. So I am back to my room and I'm transferring all the GoPro files because now at 7:30, right now it's 7:20. So in 10 minutes we have to go to level B or something like that. They're gonna show us how to edit with their own app. It's basically a mobile software and a computer software, so you can just drag whatever footage you like into the software and the software will automatically edit for you. So it's not really useful for all the vloggers, but if you just want to create a nice cinematic short film or something like that, then it's perfect software. I have used it like the last time when the GoPro team came. After that I've never used it, not because I don't like it, it's because I want my video to look the way I have a story in my head. That's how I want my video to look. Shit. So my bag is like overstuffed. I don't know how I'm gonna close it, but I have to close it because it's time for me to leave Goa and go to Mumbai. I should have carried a bigger bag, but it's okay. It's okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look too tired because I am tired. Oh, I managed. बस अब ये फटे ना और खुले ना. Okay, so I just did my final check in the room if I'm not missing anything, and I'm not. This is the lens bag, the jacket which I'm gonna wear, for my overstuffed handbag. I've stuffed all the mounts and all that because there was no space left inside my trolley. So yeah, I've removed all the mounts from inside and kept it. I was supposed to take this, but I'm not gonna take it. This is the thing which the hotel staff gave us when we entered the hotel. Anyway, no space for that. Can't forget this. Okay, so all of us are in the lobby. Everybody is saying goodbye to each other. It's very sad to say goodbye, you know. I never like the goodbyes, especially with the wonderful people I meet. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Okay, so we are here at the airport and not all of us are going on the same flight. Some are going on Jet Airways, some are going on Go Air. Shanice here, going on Go Air.
Yeah, my flight is after 2 hours.
Hello Shanice.
Bye.
It was nice having you here. Okay guys, so I am back to Mumbai. Although I ended the vlog in Goa, but I was not really happy with the kind of ending I did. So again, I'm reshooting the ending in Mumbai. So I'm back to Mumbai. My Goa experience was really good. It was really awesome. I had a ball of a time with all the GoPro family members, and this GoPro Hero 5 is like really amazing. It's a little heavy compared to the GoPro Hero 4, but it's really nice. I saw a few of the comments. You guys are comparing the Hero 5 footage with the Canon 80D, which I use. By the way, I use Canon 80D. It's good for its size and it's a perfect action camera according to me.
I'm gonna make a separate video about it very soon. So I am really busy with all the preparation for my next ride. I'm sure most of you guys are also waiting for my ride. My next video will be before I start my ride. I'm gonna give you all the information about my rides and all that. I hope nothing goes wrong, fingers crossed. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, a like. It's free, you know. इतना देख ही लिया तो like देखे ही जाओ. And as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. And my left hand is paining because क्या करें अभी जल्दी vlog shoot करना है तो करना पड़ता है. So bye bye.
Finally having dinner after a very long time. Finally having a lunch after a very long time. GoPro, stop recording.